This is a YouTube channel that comments on every video to catch your attention so that you can subscribe this channel. So how do they actually work? And in this video I'll show you how I code a machine that can do the same thing. Basically we need a magic script, I mean Python script, to do the same job. There we need to feed additional files in order to run this script. This time I will make this video as simple as possible. I hope you will enjoy this video. So let's begin. See, this is our Python script. Next, we need to define the video on which our bot will comment. We know that every video on YouTube has its own video URL to reach. So, this video URL text file contains all the URLs of video on which our bot will comment. We need some different comment, otherwise it would be boring to read same comment again and again. I hope you got it what I mean. Now that we have comments and video URLs with us, next we need to log in with our username and password. Once the Python script is executed, script will look for username and password from user details text file. Here you need to provide your email and password by which our bot will log in and comment on that video you provided on video URL text file. Our plan is simple. Once we execute the script, then program is supposed to comment on each and every video which we have provided in video URL text file, and every comment will be picked from a random comment file in a random way. Let's see how it goes. After planning for hours and hours, followed by hours and hours of coding and debugging, finally time to execute the magic script. And this time the script is running smoothly. The journey begins from logging in with username and password. Look at this. I'm not doing anything. How amazing is this? Magic script is the reason behind this automation. Then it will reach to the targeted video. The process will repeat for each URL in URL text file. No one is typing anything, picking a random comment from random comment text file and putting that comment here. If you are interested in this project, you can download this script from video description. You can run this script, result will be the same. And don't forget to configure the additional files. For any help, please contact us with this email. Here is a disclaimer before signing off. Please do not make spam with this bot. You are welcome to inspire your friend with this bot. Next Sunday, something very interesting stuff is coming on. The heading for that video will be something like video making bot, one script that will make thousands of videos at a go. So stay tuned by subscribing this channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon and the like button. That's all for today. Signing off. See you soon. Bye.